Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. It is Sunday afternoon. It is, oh my goodness, April 10th on a Sunday. So we just got back from church and church was amazing. They had all of the Awana kids come and sing for the church. It was so precious. There were probably, they were just the little ones. So there's probably maybe 50 children there besides all the baby siblings. We had behind us one little girl and her parents, and then their their baby, it looks like a baby boy, and he was a rattler. So I honestly, I just loved it. I was so thankful. So anyways, the door I just noticed is not closed all the way, so if you hear it bang, I will tell you what it is. I want to share with you, this is my April mystery kit. It is from DEK Designs, and it is charming. So let me get us in here. Hold on. And I really thought I had filmed this, and I was getting ready to use it the other day, and I thought, oh, I don't think I did. I better double check. Uh-oh, I can't see where the tape, there it is. Okay, seriously, kind of blind, but anyways, kind of been one of those afternoons since we got home. Lots going on. So first I wanted to show you, this is separate, and this is the April Wacky Holidays. They have one for every single month. You can order May now. She may even have June up very soon. So as soon as you see them come up, be sure you order because it's 30 days out. So, and I always forget that. And I have a lot saved up for next year because of that. So anyways, I just wanted to show you, and these are so cute, like April 1st, it was April Fool's, and then Garlic Day on the 19th. Now, I know most of you probably don't like garlic, but I love garlic. I love the taste of it. I'm even growing it in my garden. I'm trying to grow it in my garden. But, oh yeah, garlic is good. Let's see, Zoo Lovers Day on the 8th, High Five Day on the 21st. I've just taught my granddaughter, high five, low five, and then where you move your hand too slow, and she laughs so hard. She knows it's coming, and she still laughs. So anyways, Superhero Day. Who's your superhero? Leave it in the comment below. There is a woman by the name of Gladys Aylward who was a missionary to China. And she was a courageous woman. She did it on her own. She did it all by herself. She was an uneducated woman, a woman without means. She was just an amazing, amazing woman. And she was in China, and she did amazing things. And I know right now people have mixed feelings about China, but you need to know there are incredible stories that come out of China, and she was an amazing Christian woman, and she helped save so many children. And there is a wonderful movie. Ingrid Bergman stars as Gladys Aylward, and for the moment the name of it escapes me, and I'm so sorry. If I think of it, I'll try to link it below, but just look up Ingrid Bergman, Gladys Aylward, and it's like Aylward, Gladys, Gladys. Amazing. She is one of my all-time favorite. And I have a long list of heroes. I really do. And some of them are the people that you're with every day, and some of them are the people that came long before us. So anyways, share your favorite hero below. Okay. Lots enough. Oh, bubble tea day. Yay! April 30th, I'm going to get boba tea. Nobody will go with me to get boba tea on the 30th. I'm going to go all oh, no. Wait a minute. Oh, I got to make sure if it's on a Wednesday, I'm hosed because we go to the granddaughters. But if it's not, I'm going to go find it. All right. There's a place in San Marcos. Okay, now back to the April kit for the April mystery box. So these are a smaller, really charming, sticker kit. You can use it for your planners. You can also use it for your photo album, memory keeping, your journaling, your Bible journaling, anything you want to use it for. So, or even to make cards. There'd be darling cards if you want to fussy cut some things out. Seriously, really fun. And so this month we get these two extra cuties, and I love that with the little purple. I will put that in my basket over there for when I make my mom and dad's scrapbook. I've got a whole basket going. I spent yesterday cutting. We are in tax season, full swing, and so yes, I'm here to help in the emergencies and in the menial things like look up something, do this, do that, kind of a thing. So, and we actually lost one of our, hold on one second. Phew, sorry, it's spring. We lost one of our text files. My husband had put it in a safe place, and he looked at this one thing like 4 times. I went through, emptied tons of stuff, unpacked tons of stuff for him here in the office. It was all his. And, I mean, hey, he got a good deal out of it. So, but he was a little rattled, so to speak. So anyways, but we found it. And so he was able to get that tax return done. I've got them both up there. I've got 2 to mail tomorrow. Plus, I'm hoping we'll get 2 more done this afternoon, but he's outside after church putting together the water lines on my gardens, which I'm really thankful for, but I think we can wait on that. Let's get his tax returns done. But we also have a 4-day weekend next weekend with Good Friday and Easter. So he's off Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And I told him he wanted to go to a seminar yesterday, a fruit tree seminar. And anyways, down in San Antonio, I said, since it's a 4-day weekend, if you still want to go, we can go. He got up yesterday and he's like, I don't want to go. I was like, okay, well, I offered. So we stayed here. We worked on stuff all day, which thank God we did, because we were able to find a lot. And I was able to kind of get some things just better organized for him. You know how you do. So you love your husband, you try to help. So, all right. So I love this bunny. It's so sweet. So, okay, now here is the gorgeous April mystery kit. All that chitty chat, let's get to it. So this is just precious. I'm going to use this today in some of my planning. I love that chick. Of course, you know I love the bunny. And I love this one where you get the bunny hiney. I know. Okay, look at that washi. That is gorgeous. I have not looked at any of this yet. And I love this new way of doing the days of the week. Of course, you have the tags and what I call the postage stamp stickers. So, all right. Oh, look at the ladies, the fashion gals. They're so pretty. Very, very. Oh, look at the little bunny. Oh, so cute. Another. Oh, it's a gnome with bunny ears. That's so funny. That was in one of the ones I worked with last night. Here are the date dots. So you get a full month's worth of date dots. And seriously, you could use this through the whole month if you wanted to. All right. And then here is more of the eyelet scallops, the regular scallops, the pennants, the work. I love that she gives us so many extra work stickers. I use them everywhere. My family calendar, my family planner, my personal planner, household planner, and my work planner, and then my pocket planner. And that's really what I have right now. So lots of beautiful decoratives, little chicks. We do not have any chicks yet. No baby bunnies, no nothing. We don't raise rabbits anymore. We used to have a rabbit barn when our kids were younger, but no mas. Our daughter and son-in-law do raise rabbits, but they raise them for meat, and it's really hard for me to think about that. So I try not to think about it. When they have a bunch of babies, I want one of the babies. So, but no, it's just we can't. We just can't. And we have a lot of wild rabbits all around us. So lots of baby bunnies all the time. So here is more of the decoratives. Here's some of the half boxes, the kind of the little banners, and then the habit trackers, and just more decorative. So pretty banners. She has some pre-done printed banners, the glitter headers, or pre-done headers, the to-do list checklists, and then the weekend, and then just more of these pretty stamps. Okay, here are the make your list. Lister's got a list. If you are a lister, these are great. You could literally take this whole side, and that would be one layout for a week. It's so much fun. I use the Monday through Sunday. I use it for usually my menu planning clipboard, but lately I've not been doing that because I've been doing a menu planner, so we'll see. I'm using this for different things, so probably I may use that in gardening. And then there's all kinds of headers that are encouragements, things that you're going to do, hump day, grateful, movie night, any of those. And actually you could take grateful, put that at the top, and list all of that, and have Lister's got a list. Just saying. All right, all kinds of functional icons with 2 gorgeous decorative stickers. So pretty, super great functionals. Love them. They are so wonderful. And then here is what I call my journaling sheet, but I love that she did the bunnies here. For me, bunnies are all the time. So my granddaughter, I call her Bunny. So anyways, but I would use all of these in my planner. I love the bow dividers, the square kind of stamps, and then these are more like journaling bubbles is what I think of them as. And then sticky notes, super fun, and another little washi tape. So this is an incredible value, just like the sub box. But if you're thinking, I don't know, is it too much? What should I do? I don't know if I'd use it all. This is the one to start with. Seriously, it's a very action-packed, super full kit for a reduced price because you're in a subscription. And then this is just an extra I threw in for the wacky holidays and fun like that. So, all right, guys, I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to upload this now. Today is Sunday Specials with DEK Designs. This all comes from DEK Designs. So, if you go to my Instagram, you can look there. But if not, all the information will be listed below. They'll have incredible specials. This week, we have 3 specials, and one of them's camping. Yay! And then there's another one. I think it was flowers. It's so pretty. I mean, it was just a blur because I was looking at them as I came out of church and, trying to see what was up. I had seen a few peeks on Instagram before. So anyways, but if you go to DEK Design, and you decide to get the specials, put KRIS in the comment box, and it will get you freebies with your order. And that helps me, and that helps you. You get freebies, and that's always nice. And then lastly, if you order something that's not on sale, say you want the wacky holidays, or you want, something else, the date dots, you can order those separately. Put KRIS 15 in the discount as a discount code, and that will get you 15% off your order. So, of what's not on sale or a subscription box. Okay, we got it. We're good. Yes. Okay. All right. The Sunday specials and the Hump Day specials are not necessarily going to be up endlessly. They're going to put them up, and then they will take them down. So just be aware that they may or may not stay in the shop for a while. So if you like them, go look at them. And you can go to my Instagram and see it's listed below, and you guys can easily see what's out there. Okay, friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for being here. It's so wonderful to be with you. I hope you're having a beautiful spring day. I hope you have your garden all planted. If not, you're getting ready to because you're in a cold climate. I talked to a friend yesterday. Was it yesterday? Day before yesterday? I think it was day before yesterday, yeah. And snow. Just had snow in Michigan. Goodness gracious. So she says, dear, sweet friend, and a sweet friend of our channel that so many of you have prayed for. So remember to pray for each other and be kind, okay? I love the saying that kindness and courage are such a great combination, and I love that. And find someone to be kind to today. It's amazing how much you'll brighten their day. All right, friends. Thanks for being here. Love y'all. Subscribe, share, do all that good stuff, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.